Hello friends, I am Swapan. Welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Today we will learn how to draw figurative composition with pastel color. So let's start the main drawing. So friends, today we will learn how to draw a figurative composition of rainy season. An interesting village scenery with human figure and animal figure. Here we will apply the process of gesture drawing. So let's see how to draw. At first we will draw the light gesture drawing of this composition following the position properly. See, when we will draw the gesture drawing, we have to notice that from where we will start the figure and how we will arrange them. Here we will draw the buffalo cart in this way. So our gesture drawing is completed. Now come to the detailing. Here we can see a farmer is cultivating in his land and a buffalo cart behind him. So first of all, we will complete the first figure following these steps. Now draw the buffalo in this way. Also draw the cart driver. Complete the full cart with full of seedlings. Now come to the background. Draw a village scenery with some houses and trees. Also draw the cornfield. Detail the full composition with me. So our whole drawing is completed. Now start the color. So basically, whatever we want to color, we will follow the light and shadow portion properly. Here we will use pastel color and pencil color for the whole painting. Detail it with me. Also complete the other figures following the same process. Just because of the light and shadow, it look like so natural. This is a dark, cloudy and rainy day. So we have to notice that the sky is completely dark and cloudy. Now gradually complete the whole painting with me, following the light and shadow. Apply some depth properly in this full painting. So our whole composition is completed and it's look like so natural and interesting. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel. I'm sure that you can learn so many things from our channel. So stay with us and take care and bye bye.